Hi, I'm John Ross, sales specialist at Western Products. Two-story house that we were doing with 2 bump outs in the front. That gave us the ability to do some additional design features on. So I was out there with the homeowner and I could see their vision right away and how we could help them. On the body of the house, we did 5-inch bronze in traditional. In the 2 bump outs, we did 5-inch Northwood in traditional. In the fascia soffit gutters, we did mocha, and then the downspouts, we did bronze. The installation, top notch. We actually had our first big snowstorm during this project, and the weather doesn't faze our guys. Their work continues to be meticulous and the highest quality. The final product looks awesome and is going to last for a long time. Our steel siding has a warranty against chipping, flaking, cracking, fading. We always see people, from 40 years ago commenting to us how well their siding still looks today. With the Northwood, bronze, and mocha as the soffit fascia gutters, those are 3 colors that complement each other very well. It just turned out great.